If you have a small space and you'd like to grow your vegetables, your herbs, or your other plants, the best option you have is to maximize that small space by planting as many plants as you can in that small space. As you can see here, I am mulching my tower garden. It is where I'm going to be fitting my plants. Over here I have my seedlings that I'm going to be putting on my tower garden. I have lettuce here, and then I have some Swiss chard, I have some Napa cabbage here, there are corianders here, and then I have bell peppers. I'm going to be putting all these on my tower garden. Before I plant on my tower garden, I'm going to ensure that I have really put a thick layer of mulching. This is very beneficial not only for big gardens but even for these small space gardens. And I made a video about mulching over here. You can also find the link of that video in the description below after watching this video. So I am ensuring that my tower garden is properly mulched before I even place the plants there. I am adding citronella grass because of its pest repelling properties. It will help me deal with some of the pests on this garden. This is my tower garden where I'm going to be planting my vegetables. It has a number of layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. It has a diameter of 4 feet, meaning that it is sitting on an area of approximately 13 square feet. After preparing my tower garden well, it is now time to place my vegetables in positions that I would want them to go in. So on the very first layer, the layer which is below, I am going to place my lettuce. I do this because the lettuce here is resistant to pests. So I'm going to put it all around on the entire first layer down. Next, I am going to be placing my spinach. I've placed Swiss chard on the second row, and after 2 plants of Swiss chard, I am going to put coriander. This will also help in deterring of pests, so I put other 2, and then I place coriander like that until I go around the entire layer. On the next layer, I'll put my Napa cabbage. Since they really grow wide, I am going to give them enough space. I'm just going to put 4 of them, but then in between them I'll put some bell peppers. So I've put more lettuce here, and I am going to top it off by putting a Napa cabbage there and just 1 coriander seed. So the next step is now going to be removing these polythene bags to put the plant in the soil. Let's begin from down. So these are my plants after 2 days of planting. You can see that they've started gaining. They are taking root. I'll be giving you an update as we go along. Thank you for watching.